Hi everyone, this is Ada. Today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing for my birthday. I am off to Louis for my birthday, yes, happy birthday to me. My husband's taking me and I am going to be spoiled. What have I got my eye on? I think maybe another canvas bag, maybe an Alma. I want to have a look maybe at a wallet. So obviously I'm not allowed to film in there because last time I got in trouble. So I will take you along and just show you my buy later. I have my big yellow bag, or my, what colour do you call that? No, I love the colour. I love the new bags and the new boxes. Took me a while to get used to them, but I have my bag for my birthday. I have the best husband, don't I, honey? Thank you. Thank you, hun. So, what is in it? I'll have to do an unboxing. So it's my birthday today and my lovely husband took me to Louis Vuitton. I'm so, I don't know, the best husband. I have an unboxing, so I'm actually celebrating with a glass of wine. So I'll have a sip. So I do have a couple of items here, but the lovely sales associate I had, I think gave me a card for my birthday. I had champagne in there, which I'll post a picture later. Oh, I hope this is a card. Yes, it is. It's just very well stuck down. Dear Ada, wishing you a very special birthday today. I'm sure the pieces you chose will be treasured for many years to come. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Warm regards, Neri. So how lovely is that? That's gorgeous. She was lovely. We spoke about all sorts of things, fashion. I think she was studying fashion and she worked for Tiffany & Co. and she was working for Louis Vuitton now. She's come from Sydney to live back in Brisbane. So I don't want to knock my wine over. I will start with the little one. It's the year, Chinese New Year. So the tags actually have all the, you know, the animals on. So I think it's the year of the dog, someone said. I don't know if I'm right, but that's what I've read somewhere, I believe. I am really loving this new packaging. I wasn't too sure when the company changed over, but I do think it is, I think the box is a better quality. I just think the colour with the blue just stands out. So this one is a drawer box. So something small, as you can see. With the Louis Vuitton written here, dust bag. I always forget what they're called, dust bags. And I got, what was it called? The Victorian wallet. So what I needed is, it's probably in there, the name of it, but I'm sure it's Victorian wallet. And I have lots of wallets, well I have a few wallets, but I do not have a compact wallet for all my smaller bags. And I really did not need another bag, but I did need this wallet. That's my logic anyway. So I have decided that I don't want any of the rose ballerine or any of the reds because I worry about the button. Now this button is a coloured button, but it is brown. They don't have the brass buttons in this particular wallet. I did ask, so the inside is just the traditional brown canvas. And what I liked about this wallet is that you have your notes there, coins in this part, and then 6 card holders. 6 card holders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously you can put things behind that. Your license. So yes, made in Spain, so very happy with that. Desperately needed a compact wallet, so that's the first one that I got. Belle's in here at the moment down on the floor too, so she's, we had visitors over last night, so she's a bit tired today, aren't you, Belle? Are you tired? Okay, so that's the first one. second one. Let me just get the name of it. So the Victorian wallet and M62472, and that cost $650. Put it there so I can get the name of the next bag. Obviously some perfume samples. I've seen they're giving perfume samples away a lot now, which I think is good. I did get some before with my other purchase. Yeah, not too sure on the perfume, but yeah, it's good to try the samples anyway. So here it is in the beautiful box again with the Chinese New Year tag. This would be a magnetized box, I guess. This bag, let me tell you the story. This bag I went in to get, I did have a credit note, not for the whole bag or for all the items, but I wanted to get, I thought, a canvas Alma, so in the PM, but they did not, I wanted to get the Monogram, the two-tone one, but they did not have them, or did not have it. And so I thought, oh, maybe I'll look at the Verni leather. No, saw another bag which I fell in love with, and then she bought this one out as well, and this one just stole my heart. So I don't even know what it's called. She had to go and ask one of the French girls how to pronounce it. So I'm not too sure what this bag is called, but I will unbox it for you. Yeah, I think it's one of their newer range bags. So the dust bag. I don't know how to pronounce that bag, but here it is in the beautiful dust bag. Oh, I love it. She makes my heart sing, this bag. Here it is. Here she is. So the handle, which is in brown leather, not in the vachetta. So there she is. Isn't she beautiful? I love the two-toned here. I didn't think I would, but I do. And the reason I love this bag is, one, the size. Two, I wanted another canvas bags. And three, I love the lock here. The lock is just gorgeous. So the lock is how you open it. So it fits in like that. And it's a good size. It does come with a strap. The other thing I like, the strap is still a thin strap, but it's actually like a green. Like an army green, I suppose. And I just think it's not really out there, but it's not like, it's just a bit different. So the strap, it's got one pocket there, two pockets in there for your phone or your keys, and then a pocket at the back, and just a big area in the middle. So let me just see if I can show you. Oh, how do you pronounce that? Marignan. I'm going to, I'll spell it. Marignan. And this bag was $2,930. I'll leave the details below so that if you want to look it up, you'll know the name of it. I'm just no good at pronouncing the French names. So let me just put the strap on. So there she is. How beautiful is that? So I'm sure I'm going to start using her straight away. I'm going to use my wallet, put all my credit cards and everything in. So that's my unboxing for my birthday. See you again next time. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe, push like, and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye.